Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have UNI, okay? UNI, or yeah, Uniswap. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we are pretty, really positive. Nah, actually, we're 3.60% down today. That said, let's go to the to the 8 hour time frame. Okay, we can see some drawings right here. These were just some predictions that we had. Well, we're just gonna delete. Okay, here we clearly had that change of character, so we're in this clear uptrend. But we broke through here, so we could start to see, okay, and look for some demand areas, for example, like this one. Why this one? Because it was never mitigated, and then we just had like that liquidity talk. So we could just look for something like this to happen, which is going to be automatically going to be my prediction. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Let me know what your thoughts about Uniswap. Have a wonderful day. Of course, it will take time, but yeah, join the community. First link in the description down below. We can chat out there, and yeah, everyone can join it. Okay, it's a Discord server. Peace out, guys.